Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the Focused Force Palm in Crimson Desert. If you open your skill tab, the skill Focused Force Palm can only be unlocked if observed in action. To get this skill, first you need to be at least 75% through Story of Chapter 4. Now this is the exact location to observe the skill. This map tab should be uncovered for you after ringing the bell in Scholar Stone. Once you've made your way here, you'll find yourself in the small area leading to a cave with the apparition to observe the skill. Observe this one, then you'll unlock the Focused Force Palm. Now to do the Focused Force Palm, do the Focus skill. Then hold the middle mouse button if you're on PC. You'll see the prompt on the lower right corner of your screen. If you hold the button long enough, a circle will appear. Aim right at the circle and the target will glow. Release the Force Palm and everything will explode all at once. And that is how to unlock the Focused Force Palm in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.